Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the origins and beliefs of Buddhism. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. All right, let's go. Buddhism is one of the world's major religions. It is based on teachings of a man who came to be known as the Buddha, who searched for a way to free himself of the suffering of life. The life of the Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama was a pampered, wealthy prince born in the 500s BCE in what is now Nepal. Siddhartha was always protected from pain and discomfort, but one day he discovered the suffering and death that was all around him. He set out to find the true meaning of life. He tried various solutions but was dissatisfied with all. Buddhists believe that by learning to meditate, Siddhartha finally achieved enlightenment, a state of perfect wisdom. He became the Buddha, which means the enlightened one, and spent the rest of his life traveling across India, sharing his message and learning. What are Buddhist beliefs? Buddhists believe in and try to follow the knowledge that Buddha gained during his life. They try to follow the middle way between lives of luxury and suffering. Buddhists accept the Four Noble Truths. Life involves suffering. Selfish desires cause this suffering. This suffering can be ended by giving up selfish desires. And the way to give up selfish desires is to follow the Eightfold Path. This path consists of 8 steps: right belief, right purpose, right speech, right conduct, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right meditation. The goal of a person who follows the Eightfold Path is to reach nirvana, a state of blissful peace without desire or suffering. How did Buddhism spread? Over time, the Buddha's followers collected his teachings to create the sacred scriptures of Buddhism. Buddhist monasteries became centers of study and meditation. Missionaries, meanwhile, spread Buddhism across India and then throughout Asia into Sri Lanka, China, Korea, Japan, and Tibet. As Buddhism spread, its followers split into 2 major branches, or sects. One branch is Theravada Buddhism, which focuses on the wisdom of the Buddha and believes that the Buddha's greatest achievement was his enlightenment and entry into nirvana. Mahayana Buddhism focuses on the Buddha's compassion and his return from nirvana to share his wisdom out of concern for others. What is Jainism? Mahavira, another successful wandering teacher around the same time as Siddhartha, was a teacher of Jainism. A main characteristic of Jainism was the idea of ahimsa, which is nonviolence to all life. The path to enlightenment in Jainism comes through nonviolence. And now the nutshell. Buddhism began with a rich guy named Siddhartha Gautama, who had it all until he peeked outside and saw that life wasn't all sunshine and mangoes. Disturbed by sickness, aging, and death, he ditched his royal life to figure out why life is such a pain. After experimenting with extreme living and extreme not eating, he finally meditated his way to enlightenment and became the Buddha, or the enlightened one. He then hit the road to teach others how to escape life's suffering, which apparently involves following the middle way, accepting the Four Noble Truths, and walking the Eightfold Path, basically a spiritual to-do list for achieving blissful peace known as nirvana. His teachings spread far and wide thanks to devoted followers and some serious travel miles, leading to the rise of 2 main Buddhist groups that couldn't quite agree on whether wisdom or compassion was Buddha's greatest hit. Meanwhile, another guru named Mahavira was also on the Enlightenment train, founding Jainism, which emphasized hardcore nonviolence even to bugs. There you have it, folks. That is the origins and beliefs of Buddhism nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Send me to Nirvana by smashing those like and subscribe buttons for me. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.